Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Equilibrium real output is rising while the price level drops, so we need to find which specific event triggers this exact short-run shift quickly. First, notice that for output to increase while prices fall, the short-run aggregate supply curve must shift to the right. This indicates a positive supply shock is happening right now. Next, we look for factors that lower production costs or boost efficiency. New technology and higher labor productivity allow firms to produce more goods at a much lower cost per unit. Finally, this rightward supply shift creates higher output and lower prices. That makes option B the winner. You nailed this tricky macro concept. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush. Trust the given information and check your steps carefully.